What if we asked the right question, but got a totally different answer because we looked for it elsewhere? While humans sought to fly through artificial means, there lies a possibility inherent in every one of us, the ability to fly. What if humans could fly? Yes, our DNA might hold hidden secrets from ancient ancestors. Secrets that, if unlocked, could fast-track evolution, transforming us in ways we can barely imagine. Imagine tapping into that genetic memory, triggering dormant abilities or even new physical adaptations. But could this genetic memory theory hold any truth? Could our DNA somehow be tricked into reshaping us for flight? To understand, we have to go way back, before humans, before dinosaurs, back to the origins of life. Life on Earth began in water, where single-celled organisms evolved into complex life forms. But why water? Because in Earth's early environment, water was safer, more stable, and better protected from harmful UV radiation. Over millions of years, these creatures adapted to life in water, developing fins to move and gills to breathe. But some needed more. As resources grew scarce, some ventured onto land, pushing evolution in a new direction: legs for walking, lungs for air. But could we evolve the ability to fly? Flying required millions of years of adaptation. Some ground-dwelling dinosaurs developed feathers, not for flight initially, but for insulation or display. Eventually they began gliding, and then true flight evolved. Archaeopteryx was a key link, sharing traits with both dinosaurs and birds. With clawed hands, a long tail, and feathers, it was a transitional creature on the way to becoming a bird. But let's be real, why can't humans fly? For one, we lack the physical structure. Our bones are dense, designed to bear weight, not stay airborne. Birds evolved hollow bones and powerful chest muscles specifically for flight. Our arms. They evolved for manipulation, not wing flapping. For humans, lifting our weight with muscle power alone is nearly impossible. While biological evolution might never give us wings, technological evolution is doing the job. Jetpacks, wingsuits, drones were closer than ever to the dream of flying. In a way, our minds evolved to imagine and create the technology to do what our bodies can't. Our flight now comes from invention. But what if we were faced with extreme environments? Could extreme conditions force us to evolve new traits? In the past, extreme heat, cold, radiation, and starvation have pushed evolution in surprising ways. In a laboratory, scientists try to recreate these pressures to study how life adapts. For example, some animals like the snow leopard evolved to survive high altitudes, with larger lungs and better oxygen efficiency. But could we force such adaptations in humans? Using techniques like CRISPR gene editing, scientists can already alter certain genetic traits. In theory, under extreme conditions, we might unlock genetic changes over generations, but don't expect wings overnight. Some researchers suggest that DNA might retain a memory of ancient forms, and under the right conditions, we might reawaken these traits. This concept, though controversial, speculates that humans have dormant genes from ancient ancestors. However, our genes lack a flight blueprint. The adaptations for flight are highly specialized and don't lie hidden, waiting to be unlocked. Yet evolution does surprise us. Evolution doesn't create completely new parts, it repurposes existing ones. If humans were to ever gain flight abilities, it would likely be from modifications to existing structures, not new wings. Arms might evolve to glide or support jumping, but these changes would take eons of natural selection. But let's imagine a futuristic world where humans, forced by environmental pressures or genetic technology, could enhance their bodies for new abilities. If flight were a priority, perhaps genetic engineering could alter bone density, redistribute muscle, or even change our lung capacity. This idea remains firmly in science fiction for now. Humans may never develop wings like birds, but our desire to fly has pushed us to innovate. Wingsuits, jetpacks, even planes are extensions of this deep-rooted curiosity and drive. So, if our genes can't do it, our minds certainly can. Evolution has made us the most adaptable species on the planet, not through physical transformation, but through intelligence and creativity. While wings may be out of reach, humanity's quest for discovery shows we don't need physical wings to soar. So, could there be other evolutionary surprises waiting for us? What do you think the next species might just be? Evolution is ongoing, and humanity's journey is just one chapter in Earth's story. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more on the wonders of the world, from mind-bending science to ancient mysteries and today's biggest what-ifs.